Huawei is once again making headlines, and this time, it's for its massive impact on the global smartphone market revenue in the first quarter of 2025. According to the latest report by Counterpoint Research, Huawei is not just back in the game, it's one of the key drivers behind the 3% year-on-year revenue growth seen in Q1 2025. While the top 5 brands like Apple, Samsung, Oppo, and Vivo still hold dominant positions, Huawei has emerged as a strong player from outside the top 5. In fact, Huawei, alongside Google and Motorola, led a double-digit growth in smartphone revenue this quarter. These brands have clearly made strategic moves to increase their presence and impact in the global smartphone market, and it's paying. Counterpoint's senior analyst Shilpi Jain pointed out that this growth highlights how even brands outside the top 5 are now capable of delivering a higher value mix. This is an important shift, showing that the premiumization trend in the smartphone industry is no longer limited to the major players. Brands like Huawei, Google, and Motorola are now playing a more serious role in delivering premium experiences and expanding their market influence. Huawei, in particular, has had an impressive few months. The Chinese tech giant has launched several notable devices globally, helping fuel this revenue growth. Leading the way are the Mate X6, the groundbreaking Mate XT Trifold, and the Nova 13 series, all of which have made waves internationally. These devices are gaining attention not just for their sleek designs, but also for their advanced AI features, which resonate with consumers seeking both style and smart performance. Then there's the Pura 70 Ultra, Huawei's standout flagship. It's currently considered one of the best smartphones available globally, thanks to its powerful camera capabilities and its distinct triangular camera bump design. With photography becoming a major factor for buyers today, Huawei's ability to innovate in this area is clearly helping it win back global market share. Another important piece of the puzzle is the return of Huawei's in-house Kirin chip. After a long period of restrictions and setbacks due to international sanctions, the company has successfully revived the Kirin line for its new phones. This move not only makes Huawei less dependent on foreign chip makers, but also strengthens its position as a self-reliant and competitive force in the global market. While challenges remain due to ongoing tech and trade conflicts, Huawei's steady progress signals that it's aiming for long-term growth beyond China. Looking at the broader Q1 2025 market landscape, Apple has been the fastest-growing brand in terms of revenue, thanks to its continued strong sales and high average selling prices. Meanwhile, Samsung has secured the top spot in terms of total smartphone shipments, a position it's held firmly for years. Other notable performers in this quarter include Oppo and Vivo. These brands have also gained significant ground, adding to the competitive atmosphere in the smartphone space. Interestingly, despite ongoing tariff issues and global economic uncertainties, the average selling price of smartphones has increased by 1% year-over-year, now reaching $364. This uptick in ASP indicates that more consumers are willing to invest in higher-end devices, further pushing the industry toward premiumization. In summary, Huawei's comeback is shaping up to be one of the most impactful stories in the smartphone world this year. From launching innovative devices to reviving its Kirin chips and expanding into global markets, Huawei is proving that it's more than ready to challenge the status quo. While it still faces some tough hurdles, especially on the tech and geopolitical front, there's no denying the momentum it has built in early 2025. If Huawei can maintain this pace and continue rolling out competitive, high-quality smartphones across different price segments, it could soon reclaim an even bigger slice of the global market. For now, its contribution to the Q1 2025 revenue growth is a clear sign that Huawei is not just surviving, it's thriving.